This program is about counting the number of each vowels in a given string. So we will learn how to count the number of each vowel in a string using dictionary comprehension. So hence we have taken a string as input. This is the input string IP underscore str string. So here we see that make it suitable for caseless comparisons. So what is meant by this line of code? So using the method casehold, we return a lower case version of that string. So and here we see that make a dictionary with each vowel a key and value 0. So we are taking the help of dictionary in this program code, and we will represent the values and their total numbers, a value and its key in this case of program. So here we see that this code count is equal to, so we are using from keys. So what is the meaning or object of this from keys? So with the help of dictionary method from keys, we construct a new dictionary with each vowel as its key and all values equal to 0. You see that here the value of vowels is 0 as we have not run this program still, but after it will add values. If it will find some vowels in this string, it will continue to add the values in this form, in the form of a dictionary. We know that in a dictionary we have a key and then its value. We have a key and then its value. So a dictionary comprises keys and their values. So here we see that this is the string of vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters in ABC. And here in this block of code, we will store the initialization of count. We will iterate the input string using a for loop here. You see that this is the for loop here for character in input string. If these vowel characters are in the string, then if character in count, then count is a character plus 1 is equal to 1. So here we will continue to add plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. If we will find the character, we will continue to add plus 1 in the total result, total value of a particular key. So we will iterate the input string using this for loop, and in each iteration we will check if the character is in the dictionary keys, and then if it is true, the dictionary keys is true, and if it is a vowel, then we will increment it with the help of this 1. We will increment it with the value of 1 if it is true, if it is a vowel. Then finally we will print the total count, total number of vowels present in this string. So we will execute this code. So we see here that this was our string hello. Have you tried our tutorial section yet? So here we see that A is a key and it has a value of 2, and E is a key, it has a value of 5. I is a key and 3 has I has a value of 3. O is a key and value of 5 is assigned to this O. U is a key having the value 3. In this program code, we will count where U has been used. So this is 1 U, second U, and this one is the third U. And similarly we will count the letter E, vowel E. So here we see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you see here that these vowels are printed in the output as in the form of dictionary specification they are in the form of dictionary AEIOU, a key, and it has a certain value that comes after counting with the help of this for loop. So I hope that you understand well with this example, and don't forget to practice this program. We will change this hello, we are learning Python programs. Okay, 40 programs. So here we see that a is equal to 4, e is equal to 4, I is equal to 1. I is present in the string just one times here, and here we see that o is present in this string 4 times, 1 2 3